Hi guys, Big Bang Maker here. We are going to a place called Timapana Betta, which is around 70 kilometers from Bangalore. Me and a couple of my friends are going there. I don't really know what are all the bikes which are coming today. Let me go to the meetup point, which is near Raja Rajeshwari Nagar, Gopalan Arcade Mall in Mysore Road. So right now, as you can see, I'm preparing myself. I'm wearing the Mojo semi-gauntlet gloves, Rhinox Tornado Pro jacket, and my BBG racer boots. Right now, the weather is very cool. It's not cold, it's cool. There's a difference. The breeze is so very nice, and as you can see here, whenever there is a dark patch, the Mojo fog lamps really light up the road, and it gives me enough visibility everywhere. You see a different view of the bike, as you can see here. Man, I absolutely love it. 2 kilometers away from the meetup point, there is metro construction and everything going on. Otherwise, the roads were much wider here initially. Every time my subscribers used to come at least 10-15 minutes ahead of me and wait for me at the meeting point. And I used to be like, guys, don't do that, okay? Don't wait for me too much and all. I don't really like it because I somehow don't like it. I don't know why. But then today I thought I'll go to the meetup point early and greet everyone. Oh damn, my subscribers are already here, man. And look at who's here. Macha, ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ? ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ? Super ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಗಡಿ. So actually last night I just posted a status on Facebook, and so many people have come with me already. Man, this is the power of social media. So close to, I guess, 8 or 9 people have come with me now. Half of them are my close friends who were subscribers before. Now we have become really good friends now. Man, this guy will rock the ride today. The famous Mysore Road and its terrible traffic. Half of my friend has actually modified his Apache RTR 180 into an off-roader. I'll show you that later. Man, that bike sounds so brutal. And yeah, don't worry, I'll not just concentrate on his bike alone. This is the advantage of standing and riding, guys. You can go almost anywhere possible, provided you have that experience of going off-road. You know, these are all the things which you have to learn on a bike. Because in situations like that, you don't really have to wait behind a stupid car. You can simply go. It's not like I hate cars or anything, but it's because of stupid drivers I hate cars. They will buy big SUVs and everything, but when it comes to off-roading, they'll all slow down. Then what's the point of buying a big car? I don't really get it. Actually, right now the signal is filled with my friends itself on their bikes. And it's nice. Zombie! It's really a boon to ride with subscribers, man. There were a few subscribers who came just to meet me because they have their board exams and everything. But then when I posted the meetup point, it was close to few people. They came to meet me just for taking a photo and going back. I just wish them good luck. And I hope all of you rock your exams to the core. It was really nice meeting you all, guys. And so today in this video, I'll try to give as much information as possible because in this weather, you have to go to this place, man. It's beautiful. Actually, that is my friend Karthik, who's actually leading us to the destination. After a week's time of working very hard and getting your things done, it feels really awesome when you come for a ride like this with your friends. This feeling cannot be explained, guys. You have to feel it. You have to experience it. Okay, now near the Ramnagara signal, we have taken a right and we have to take a U-turn and go inside actually. So there is two roads here. Okay, when you come to that intersection, you have to take a left. You can see all the hills and everything already. This is what fun is all about, okay? When you are with your friends only, you can do monkey business like this while keeping everyone safe and enjoy. You know, this is what friendship and everything is. You know, you cannot really do this with anyone else, man. If you go out with your family and all, your parents will think you are mad and they might ask you to go join Nimans or something. But when you're with your friends, you're all mad and you see everyone as equal. And when you go through a village like this, it has a separate feeling to it. The village air and the city air is always different. Never really expected that. See the houses and everything here. It is totally different, the way it's made and everything. Yeah, so I really didn't expect that there will be twisties in this inside route of the village, and it's very, very nice. Me and my friends are thoroughly enjoying this, man. Damn. See, that's how we ride. That's how we ride. Like, if you're riding very fast into a corner, we indicate to others whether there is sand and all those things to make sure everyone is safe, you know. This is what riding in a group is all about. This is what you have to learn. This is what my subscribers have taught me. I'll be honest with you. Honestly, the RSV4 is sounding like a big brutal animal, man. Damn, it is echoing here in the streets when we are going through the village houses and all. Damn, I guess the villagers wouldn't have heard a sound like this from any animal out here. Damn, dude. Macha, take it slow. He's cornering with his scooter. Guys, as you can see over here, you can get really confused because there is a small board over here saying Timmappana Betta 1.5 kilometers, you have to take this road. The villagers here told that there is a very big board, but then I realized that is the biggest board they have got over here. So please understand what they are saying. I spoke to a lot of villagers over here to find out the right right place to go, because they have pretty good roads over here, and us being from Bangalore, if we see a very nice road, we just trip and we go off. Actually, me and my friends, we headed the other direction for another 3 kilometers or something, I guess, and we came back. The roads are really, really awesome. So that is where we have to go. Yep, everyone are here. There is no board as such, but you have to take a right here into this small road again. As soon as you see that rock, it means that is where you turn. Oh my god, I did not see that actually. Okay. Actually, a villager took a drop on one of the friend's bike and we came here. Man, the Serpentine road is amazing. Amazing, dude. This is awesome, man. Bangaloreans, see this. Come here to experience this, man. Amazing. The sun has risen already. Now, yeah. So if you want, you can park your car and everything over here. There are roads going till the top. This is awesome. This is really awesome. So this is where we are right now. Very nice. Actually, I guess we can go over there because that is where the rocks are. Those are all the mountains and everything, or hills, whatever, that we were seeing from the highway. Nice. This is the Kalyani or something of the temple. The supermoto experience that you get from this is awesome. The fun of standing and riding is amazing, guys. See this? We need more supermotos in India, man. We will explore more places, obviously. Wow, amazing. Very nice. This is how you come in style on Timoppan. Wow, this was beautiful. Thanks Anirudh for this ride, bro. Trust me, I wouldn't have got this much fun in any other bike. Going into a descent, standing up. Damn, there was broken glass over there. I look bigger than this motorcycle, I guess. I want to stand and go, but fuck, the descent scares me, man. Oh, मजा आया गुरु, सिक्का बड़ा मजा आया. Beautiful, dude. Now it's time to take my mojo over there. Right now, I don't know if there is any alternate way over here or anything. You know, maybe you can come like this because we have to think about our ground clearance and everything, right? Okay. Okay. So you can come here and then go to the top, I believe. Yeah, see, you can get it like this, and from here it's a easy go, man. I'll stand and ride my mojo also. While riding mojo, it is very soft, guys. I'll tell you, it's very soft. You know, the suspension is tuned for comfort, right? So it absorbs every bump. So yeah, we have a CBR 650F and we have a Aprilia RSV4 with us. So we asked them not to get those bikes here because, you know, because the ground is not very smooth for those guys to come. The thing is, yeah, the ground clearance is fine, guys. Yes. See, even the RC390 can come here. All of you can easily come and enjoy this place. Thing is, you'll have to take it a little slow because suddenly there are ridges. And you have to be careful about how you take it out. How you take your bike. See, for example, if you come here straight here, there is a ridge over here that can hit your under part of the bike or something. So actually we are done with the ride now here, and that is the modified Apache. So we spent close to 1.5 hours here only talking to each other and everything. This place is really nice, guys. You have to come very early in the morning for you to really enjoy here. But then again, it's so silent. You can talk to your friends easily and enjoy, I'll tell you. It was very good catching up with all my subscribers. Proper weekend break, dude. Like, we came within 45 minutes to this place. Then we spent 2 hours just sitting and talking to each other. Thanks to all of you guys, whoever made it for the ride. And, you know, the chat that we had was amazing. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for joining the rides. It makes me feel very special, guys. Thanks a lot. One Facebook post in the last moment and 10 people turning up. It certainly is very special for me. Okay, guys, it's 10:45 now, and here is where I'll end the ride. We had a very good breakfast in Anand Bhavan. We couldn't really stop in Biddi because we were riding very fast. Yeah, so here is where I'll end it. Wait for the next vlog and wait for the next ride. More is coming in your way. Bye bye. Yeah.